Various Kuki organizations has imposed a 24-hour total shutdown along National Highway number 37 after heavily armed miscreants ambushed Chief Minister's advanced security convoy yesterday near the Laijang village in Kampupit district along Imphal Jiribam Road, National Highway 37. Following yesterday's ambush, Kuki NP Southwest Southern Hills, Kuki Students Organization Southwest Southern Hills and Kuki Women Union Maltam region convened a joint meeting and resolved to call a 24-hour total shutdown, condemning acts of aggression which threaten the stability and tranquility of the area. As per sources, the total shutdown imposed from last night midnight has severely disrupted transportation for commuters travelling along Imphal and Jiribam Road, resulting many vehicles being stranded. Till the filing of this report, there were no untoward incidents reported.